Hello guys, and welcome back to AppWiz. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule content on Instagram. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and type Instagram in the search bar. If you haven't updated the app yet, make sure to update it first. Once that's done, open your Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the 3 white lines at the top right of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Scheduled Content. Now tap on Schedule Now and select the reel you want to schedule for upload. Once you've selected the reel, simply tap on Next. Here, you can set the date and time to schedule your content whenever you want. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.